Welcome back to Decor, where we transform small spaces into extraordinary homes. Today, we're stepping into the world of classic Parisian elegance, where romance meets sophistication in every detail. If you've ever dreamed of capturing that timeless French aesthetic in your compact apartment, you're in the right place. Let's explore 20 stunning ideas that will transport you straight to the heart of Paris. Welcome to classic Parisian elegance achieved through the timeless art of architectural molding. Panel molding and crown molding aren't just decorative elements, they're the signature of Second Empire sophistication that transforms ordinary walls into works of art. In a small apartment, these details create visual interest and depth without consuming precious square footage. The beauty lies in their versatility. You can achieve this look with affordable materials and a weekend of dedicated work. Watch as we demonstrate how to measure, cut, and install these elegant details that will elevate your space from simple to spectacular. Every elegant Parisian apartment needs a commanding focal point, and nothing achieves this quite like a marble fireplace topped with an ornate mirror. This classic pairing serves a dual purpose. It anchors your living space while creating the illusion of height and grandeur. The marble's natural veining adds organic beauty and luxury, while the mirror reflects light throughout your room, making your small apartment feel more spacious and luminous. Whether you have an existing fireplace to enhance or you're creating a faux version, this combination instantly elevates your interior with timeless French sophistication. Parisian style isn't afraid of unexpected color moments within refined neutrality. Today we're styling a classic daybed with a bold fuchsia velvet that transforms it from ordinary seating into a stunning statement piece. The key to this look is confidence. Choosing one dramatic jewel tone against your neutral backdrop creates visual excitement without overwhelming your small space. This versatile piece functions as both sofa and guest bed, embodying the practical elegance Parisians are known for. Notice how the rich texture and saturated color adds warmth and personality while maintaining sophisticated restraint throughout the rest of the room. Step into a sanctuary where romance and tranquility merge through the gentle aesthetic of French country design. This bedroom embraces soft, creamy whites and warm beiges as its foundation, layered with delicate patterns like toile de joie and chinoiserie that tell stories through their intricate details. The beauty of this style lies in its ability to feel both elegant and comfortable, formal yet deeply personal. Vintage carved furniture, flowing curtains, and antique brass fixtures complete the look, creating a space that feels like a peaceful retreat from the world. This is where Parisian elegance meets countryside serenity. The art of the gallery wall is a Parisian tradition that transforms blank walls into personal museums. This approach mixes classical portraits with modern sculptures, vintage French sketches with contemporary pieces, all united through thoughtful curation and cohesive framing. The secret is balancing different styles, sizes, and mediums while maintaining visual harmony through consistent frame profiles and strategic spacing. In a small apartment, a well-designed gallery wall adds depth, personality, and cultural sophistication without requiring floor space. Today we'll guide you through selecting pieces, planning your layout, and achieving that effortlessly curated Parisian salon aesthetic. One of the most impactful tricks in Parisian interior design is hanging your curtains as close to the ceiling as possible. This simple technique creates a dramatic vertical line that makes your walls appear taller and your entire room more proportioned and grand. We're using luxurious flowing fabric that pools slightly on the floor, adding to that sense of abundance and elegance. The combination of sheer underlayers and heavier outer drapes provides both light control and sophisticated texture. In a small apartment, this treatment transforms ordinary windows into architectural features worthy of a classic French residence. The soul of Parisian style lives in the artful juxtaposition of old and new, where Louis XV chairs sit comfortably beside contemporary sofas. This approach to decorating creates layered, collected interiors that feel personal rather than designed all at once. Today we're showing you how to balance ornate vintage pieces like gilt mirrors and antique clocks with clean-lined modern furniture. The key is letting each piece breathe, avoiding clutter while celebrating the unique character each element brings. This curated aesthetic tells a story of refined taste developed over time, the hallmark of truly elegant Parisian apartments. Working from home doesn't mean sacrificing drama and style. This home office embraces rich, moody elegance through jewel-toned wallpaper, a decorative faux fireplace adorned with colorful zellige tiles, and vintage dusty rose-painted accents. The combination creates an inspiring workspace that feels both sophisticated and deeply personal. Unlike stark modern offices, this Parisian-inspired approach surrounds you with warmth, pattern, and texture that stimulate creativity while maintaining professional polish. The layered colors and traditional elements prove that small apartment workspaces can be functional, beautiful, and utterly captivating all at once. In Paris, books are never hidden away. They're celebrated as essential decor. Today we're styling your apartment with leather-bound volumes, vintage editions, and beloved classics displayed on coffee tables, mantels, and floating shelves. This isn't about pretension. It's about surrounding yourself with literature, knowledge, and beauty. Books add color, texture, intellectual charm, and personality to every surface they grace. The way you stack, arrange, and display them reveals your interests and creates that cultured Parisian atmosphere. We'll show you how to style books artfully throughout your small apartment for sophisticated, lived-in elegance. Who says Parisian style must always be neutral? This dining room proves that bold color choices can be incredibly sophisticated when executed with confidence and restraint. We've framed the walls with striking sherbet green molding that creates architectural interest while introducing unexpected vibrancy. Against this backdrop, delicate chinoiserie wallpaper with hand-painted botanical motifs adds artistry and refinement. The combination of modern dining furniture with traditional decorative elements demonstrates the eclectic, fearless approach that makes contemporary Parisian interiors so compelling. Small spaces can absolutely handle bold design choices when balanced thoughtfully. Breaking free from the typical sofa against the wall layout opens up exciting possibilities in small apartment living rooms. Today we're arranging multiple seating options, a vintage daybed along one wall, a pair of antique armchairs near the window, and a contemporary sofa creating intimate conversation areas. This approach, classic in Parisian apartments, encourages social interaction while adding visual interest and flexibility to your space. The mix of furniture styles, from different eras and in various textures, creates that collected, sophisticated look that feels organic rather than catalog purchased. Watch how strategic placement transforms functionality and elegance. Whitewashed and sericed oak furniture captures the essence of refined French provincial style. This treatment technique, where white pigment settles into the wood's natural grain, creates a beautiful pale finish that shows texture and character. Today we're featuring a stunning armoire that serves both as storage and as sculptural art in your bedroom. These pieces bring warmth despite their pale coloring, and their vintage craftsmanship adds authenticity to your Parisian-inspired space. The beauty of whitewashed oak lies in its versatility, elegant enough for formal spaces, yet relaxed enough for casual comfort. Nothing says Parisian elegance quite like the sparkle of a crystal chandelier illuminating your dining space. Today we're installing this stunning light fixture with antique brass framework and cascading glass prisms that catch and refract light beautifully. The magic happens when you pair this traditional, glamorous lighting with more contemporary furniture, creating that perfect balance of old-world charm and modern sensibility. In a small apartment, a statement chandelier draws the eye upward, emphasizing ceiling height while providing both practical illumination and decorative impact. This is jewelry for your room, transforming ordinary dining into an elegant experience. In Paris, fresh flowers aren't reserved for special occasions. They're a weekly necessity that brings life, color, and natural beauty into every room. Today we're styling your apartment with seasonal blooms displayed in crystal vases, from white peonies on the mantel to pink roses gracing the dining table and even lavender sprigs in the bathroom. This living decor element adds sophistication and shows attention to the small details that elevate daily life. The investment is modest, but the impact is transformative, making your space feel cherished, elegant, and always a bit celebratory. For maximum impact in a small apartment, consider this bold architectural treatment that alternates mirror panels with decorative wallpaper in a dramatic checkerboard pattern from floor to ceiling. The mirrors reflect light and visually expand your space, while the patterned wallpaper adds richness and personality. This luxurious approach creates stunning visual rhythm and makes a powerful statement befitting grand Parisian apartments. The installation requires precision and planning, but the result is absolutely breathtaking. We'll walk you through measuring, creating the grid layout, and installing these alternating panels for show-stopping glamorous elegance. Master the sophisticated art of pattern mixing with this classic French decorating principle. Combine 3 different scales for visual harmony. Today we're demonstrating how narrow pinstripes, bold large-scale florals, and medium-sized checks can coexist beautifully when unified by a consistent color palette. This technique adds tremendous visual interest and personality to your space without feeling chaotic or overwhelming. The secret lies in varying the scale while maintaining cohesive colors, allowing each pattern to complement rather than compete. This is the hallmark of confident Parisian style, layered, textured, and endlessly sophisticated. We've journeyed through 20 beautiful ways to bring classic Parisian romance into your small apartment, from architectural molding and marble fireplaces to crystal chandeliers and fresh flowers in every room. These timeless elements prove that elegance isn't about square footage, it's about thoughtful design choices. If you love these ideas, show your support by hitting that like button, subscribe to Deco Bloom for more inspiring transformations, and share your favorite Parisian-inspired idea in the comments below. Until next time, keep blooming beautifully.